Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you love super flavorful foods, then you're going to love this Kewpie mayonnaise. So I know that mayonnaise is not the most exciting product, but this Japanese mayonnaise is really delicious and can really elevate even simple things like a sandwich. So this is an egg yolk only mayonnaise. So it has a really rich and distinct flavor, and it has a little bit of a tang to it. It has some vinegar and mustard in it as well. So it just has a really well-balanced flavor that just enhances your food. So I love to use this, of course, on things like a sandwich. You can also use this if you're making homemade sushi and you want to make a spicy mayo or something to go with it. This is an awesome option. I love these bottles because they're really easy to get the product out, and it has two different tips. So it has a tip for just squeezing it out into a line, or you can actually take this top off and it has a star tip, so you could actually make designs on your plate with it. So it's just a nice little added touch if you're feeling very chefy at home and you want to try that out. So if you're looking for a really flavorful mayonnaise, then I would definitely suggest this Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise. It is an awesome product, super pleased with it, and that's my point of view.